Hello guys, we're going into a car wash. That's what we're doing. The same cars we went last time. This is the one we went on last time. Yep, these are the brushes you can see. Like red and blue, I think. I want to do the Anthony instead. No, do it to you actually. You roll your window down.
What the?
Oh, you're gonna get wet. You got lucky. Look how close it was. Look at the light. That's a very beautiful light.
The soap is colored. I can see it green, blue, pink.
Yep, the cool light, guys. It's really cool in this car
And the
wash.
soap is really cool.
You gotta take Lucky away to your taker, right?
I will take him and beat him up.
Be his boyfriend. Here's the brush. These are the small brushes you can see. The big one's right behind us. You can't see it. It's behind us. Oh, look at that brush behind us. And now, what's next? Hey, you don't do that. Yeah, roll your window down. Oh, you're gonna get wet. What's next? The top brush is coming down now? What is it? I think it's the top brush. I can't see it. Those are going again. There it is. There it is.
It gets me there. Thanks for all the What if I started honking, Nick? Would that be legal?
Yes, I think it would be.
What if there was a cop and I started honking?
All right, we have 90 seconds. You have a timer with them. All right, guys. I think the car wash is about done. I'm gonna end the video after we get out. We're out of the car wash. Alright, I think we're gonna end this video just when we get out because when I get home, I'm gonna show you some lights or something. When I get home.
You got the time
Nice. Try to show them the light there. Show the light there. Now out. Alright, that'll be it.